Dongwon Taiwan Machinery Company Limited specializes in the professional R&D, design, and production of vertical injection molding machines. With 16 years of manufacturing experience, our factory spans an area of approximately 15,000 square meters, allowing us to offer customers comprehensive injection molding solutions. Hold certifications such as CE ISO 1001 and ISO 45001 from Europe and the United States, showcasing our commitment to quality. Operating from our two core manufacturing bases in Taiwan and Dongguan, Taiwan Machinery has garnered extensive expertise in both manufacturing and R&D over the years. Our dedication lies in embracing scientific production, R&D, and innovation, thereby ensuring the creation of high-quality, precision-driven vertical injection molding machines. I invite you to follow our account as we regularly update it with valuable insights and advice related to injection molding. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to engage in mutually beneficial cooperation with customers worldwide.